Football lovers, welcome to my film news. On my channel, I'll keep you daily updated about Kaizer Chiefs. So kindly subscribe to my channel so I daily update you about Kaizer Chiefs. Pastor Marco setback. Kaizer Chiefs defender picks up a major and injury during training. He will miss the Netherlands tour, but good news is he is expected back in 2 to 4 weeks, ready to go to gear up for the new season. If you want to know about if you want to know about more Kaizer Chiefs news, kindly subscribe to my channel so you can be daily updated about Kaizer Chiefs updates.